In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share chats from Grok AI. Whether you're sending a helpful answer to a teammate or saving a thread for later, the process is quick and consistent. First, head over to Grok in your web browser. If you see a sign-in prompt, log into your account so you can access your conversations. Next, open the chat conversation you want to share. If it's already on your screen, you're set. If not, don't worry. Grok keeps a record of past exchanges. To locate older threads, find the history area. This is where your previous conversations are listed in chronological order, making it easy to jump back to something you worked on earlier. Once you're on the history page, scan the list and select the conversation you need to share. You can scroll, skim titles, or use any available filters to spot the right one. Opening it will bring the entire thread into view, so you can confirm it's the correct chat. Inside the conversation, take a moment to review the messages. Remove any sensitive details before you share, especially private identifiers or confidential project information. A quick check now prevents accidental oversharing later. Now, look for the share icon. Depending on your interface, it may appear as an arrow or the word share, typically near the top of the chat or in the overflow menu. Click it to generate a shareable link. If you're prompted to confirm visibility, choose the option that matches your intent. Public when anyone with the link can view, or restricted when only specific people can access. Finally, send the link through email, chat apps, or social media. Paste it into your message, add brief context so recipients know what they're opening, and hit send. On the receiving end, the link will open the conversation as you saw it, which is why that quick review step is so important. If your chat includes images, code blocks, or long outputs, the share link preserves that formatting, which makes it easier for others to follow along. Keep in mind that some workplaces enforce stricter sharing rules. When in doubt, follow your team's data guidelines and avoid posting links in public channels. That's it. Go to Grok, open or find the conversation in history, review the thread, tap share, and distribute the link wherever you communicate. If the recipient can't view it, double check the sharing settings and make sure they have permission to access the link. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, try sharing a sample chat now so you're comfortable with the flow before you need it in a hurry.